to day 26. 26 days. Seems like the time's going by really fast. So my waist is 26, still lingering around 26. These girls with these 24-inch waists, man, it seems really hard to achieve. Hips are 36 3/4. Thighs are still 20.5. And my weight is 128.2, about the same. So everything's about the same. I feel like I'm kind of hitting another plateau. I plateaued around 134, and I think I plateaued around 132 forever. And now I'm plateauing again around 128. So, but I'll get there soon. It's almost there. I can see it. I can feel it. So, 3 more pounds, and I'll be at my goal weight. But I'm not sure if I'm going to be at the measurements I want to be after 3 pounds. We'll just have to see. So that's where I'm at. And about to get some breakfast. I already poured my morning water and I put some lemon juice in it. Always from fresh squeezed lemons. Don't buy that stuff in a bottle. It's not fresh. Unless that's all you have access to. But most stores usually have lemons. Lemons are pretty common. Another thing I love to do is eat a mango and then put the seed in my water and let the mango seed release all the mango juices in the water. So I'm going to have this for breakfast anyway. So how I eat a mango is I just cut off the 2 big thick sides. I just eat it. Mangoes are also very, very, very high in water. So they're very hydrating. You can tell when a fruit is really high in water when you bite into it, your mouth just fills with liquid. Mango peels are actually edible, very tasty and very nutritious. However, the mangoes that they sell at my store are not organic, so I would not want to eat a mango peel that has been doused in chemicals. You know, it's perplexing when you go to the store and you see all this food and you can't even eat it because of the way it's grown. You know, it's just one of those things. They definitely sell more non-organic food at my store than they do organic food. Like, at my store, the only things they sell that are organic are some greens, some berries, some apples, some pears, some avocados, but they don't sell any organic melons, no organic oranges. There's a lot of things that I like that no organic mangoes at my store. So you just have to search around, grow your own food. But unless you live in the tropics and you have tons of land for fruit trees, growing your own food can be a challenge. Because fruit trees get really big. You need land for fruit trees. So yeah, but a lot of the times, usually the peel will actually be edible on a fruit, and very nutritious and very tasty. So I've sliced off the 2 big thick sides. And with the mango, you want to wait till it gets squishy, because that's when it's filled with a lot of water. When a mango is hard to the touch, I don't like eating them then, because they're not very watery and they're kind of just hard to eat. When it squishes underneath your fingers, that's when you know it's good and juicy. Avocado is the exact opposite. They do get squishy, but then I don't like them when they're like that. I like them when they're really hard. So now I'm just eating the pulp around the seed. The peel is a great facial too. Makes your skin really clean and soft. You can use it on your whole body. It cleanses and it moisturizes. Any kind of fruit really will cleanse and moisturize the skin really well, make your skin really, really, really soft. So I make sure all the peel is off, because I don't want chemicals going into my water. See, I'm already getting full just from this one mango. And it wasn't even a large mango, it was one of the smaller mangoes. So the way I eat is very messy, but that's inconsequential to me. Okay, so I'm going to put this in my water. It's my own saliva. There's nothing wrong with it. Okay? Put this in your water container, and just let it sit, and pretty soon your water is going to be mango flavored. Very good. So I had a mango, and I'm going to have some coconut. I depulped a coconut last night. And it's really best to cut all the pulp out of a coconut instead of just letting it sit around in the shell, because it'll stay edible longer. And it's easier to eat. You can just pick it out. So this is just one coconut. Coconut flesh takes forever to chew, but it's really good for your teeth. It's just one coconut. It's very hard to eat all this in one day unless this is all you're eating. I could eat maybe half a coconut in one day. But you get so much food with one coconut. And this will really help you stay full on a raw diet. So I just had a mango, I'm having some coconut. And I'm already pretty much done with breakfast. I'm kind of full right now. So, much healthier than a big plate of pancakes and sausage and eggs and pasteurized high fructose corn syrup, orange juice. So, non-fattening breakfast. And I'm totally not restricting calories at all. In fact, coconut is packed with calories and saturated fat. So, but it's a healthy kind of saturated fat. It's the kind of saturated fat that keeps your skin and your hair looking good, does not cause heart disease at all. Okay? There's a huge difference between the fat in an animal, the fat in a steak that you eat. Not a steak, dead cow. I don't like to use the word steak because I think it's sugar coating and makes people disconnect. Dead cow, basically what a steak is. Okay. Eating a dead cow is not the same as eating coconut at all. The saturated fat does not affect the body in the same way at all. So big difference. Never classify animal fats with plant fats. They have two completely different effects on the body. So very important to remember. Alright, well I gotta get out of here. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.